Yeah, she's done with that already. Let's try something else.
Ow.
Let me see.
It doesn't work, Mommy. It's
Lucy.
not working.
Lucy, are you going to laugh and smile at Eamon?
You took a pink up.
You have avocado all over your face.
And I'm
You have avocado. You have avocados on your face. Avocados. I think Buddy's upset because you're not laughing at him anymore. You want some more food? No? No? Breezy. Let's get some more avocado. Eamon. Eamon, where'd you go? What's the matter? Let me see. You want some avocado? What are you looking at down there? Oh, it's Daisy. And her messy hair. No, you can't have any food, you Daisy. Lucy. No, you can't have that. Hmm?
Can I take the iPad, please?
Yes, you can. Thank you for asking, Juice. Hey, Lucy. Ready? All over your face. By the way, can I get your juice? Is that what you said? Yeah. Hey, that's pretty funny. Oh, I know what you want. You're a hungry girl, Reese. Yeah, you had enough juice. You love avocados. You just had a bunch of sweet potatoes, Reese. You're eating a lot. Hey. You are so messy. Reese. 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 Uh-oh. You got it. What are you going to do with it? No, avocados everywhere. Are you trying to feed yourself? Come see me. No, you're going to choke yourself. Come in here.
Can I do the TV?
Why not the iPad?
Because Netflix not working.
Maybe you can play your games.
No, I don't want to play the game because Netflix not working.
What? Do you know how to turn the TV on?
No.
Okay, why don't you try to turn the TV on? Daisy, you have the hair up in a bow. Macy. Macy, are you all done eating? Macy. Drool baby girl. Okay. So you are 6.5 months old. What are you doing?